Alright, what's up, guys? So, for today's video is gonna be a conversion from. So, if you have a 5th gen, this is a 5th gen, by the way, in case you guys couldn't tell. I just got the 6th gen lights, and I don't know if you guys saw my other video. I just wrapped it, but this video is gonna be like a review and an install of the Zl1 conversion from Ikon Motorsports. So, those are the grills. So mine came with the top grill, right where the Chevy element was supposed to be at, the bottom one, and the lip. And then, yeah, oh, and then also came with some fog lights and fog light lamps and stuff, but I'll put those on later. But as you guys can tell, I already wrapped it. I wrapped it in dark satin gray, I believe that's from 3M. That's the wrap I did. And, yeah, so I'm gonna try to put on these grills and review it and just see how it comes out, guys. So yeah, I heard putting on the clips, like, hold up, like, so these clips on the bottom are supposed to clip up to right there, but I heard it's kind of hard, but I'm gonna give it a try and let's see if we can do it. But yeah, so let's get started. Today, my little brother's actually gonna help me record because I'm by myself and it's hard to put these little vents on by myself. So my little brother, want a shout out or no? No, okay, cool. This is Jordan Camp, is my little bro, and yeah, he's light skinned, but he's gonna record me putting this on for you guys because I can't show you, but I tried it on this side and it came out really good. Or easier than I expected. So he's gonna record and yeah, let's get into it. I got the grill in finally. It probably took me like 15-20 minutes. Just you gotta have some strength with it, but also you gotta be smart. You gotta like line up all the clips and just, yeah, it just takes a little bit, but not too hard, guys. The same thing as the other one, just gotta, I don't know if you guys saw, but these clips, just line them up. As soon as they're all lined up, pull them in together. Not just work away one at a time, try to push the bumper and pull the clips together. But yeah, to me, I think this last one's gonna be the hard part because I don't know how am I supposed to put it in front of that. I'm gonna have to cut off those little pieces right there. I'll see right now, but see if I can do it. So these two little things, I kind of like pulled that a little bit, unless I'm stupid strong, but I don't think I'm that strong. But I just pulled that a little bit and it came off. So I think that's what you're supposed to do. Oh goodness, but if not, then I fucked up. It's all good though. I'm pretty sure that I was supposed to do because these just came off stupid easy. Alright, cool. But yeah, let's put this grill on. I'm thinking about painting them low key. That myself again, but I watched YouTube videos and I know how to do it now. Just do thick coats and all this extra stuff. But I'm thinking about making that gloss black. And then that gloss black, the other grill, so these two grills, and then maybe the lip, maybe, because I actually have a splitter coming for this very soon. Maybe like the next video after this could be a splitter. But going good so far. It's cool. So yeah, let's keep going, guys. Alright guys, so I just put on the top grill. That was hard. you got to make sure everything's perfectly aligned, or else you won't get the clips in, and then it'll be a bitch, and you got to take it out again. Part 2. Okay. Like I said on YouTube, it's okay. And then, all right, so now we're just gonna mount it up and see how it looks with all the grills on and everything, and let's get it. Look at that, guys. Don't mind the condensation on the right side, because I gotta get it fixed. That's all good. Wow, that looks crazy, huh? That looks good? Look at that. Let's put the hood down. And then on the bottom, I have my lip that I still haven't put on. And then I'm gonna put the other lip. Oh, that's perfect. Because with my lip in the past, this was connected. And I was scared it was gonna hit, but it didn't hit, and I forgot about it. That's perfect though. So you put that lip, or for a splitter. So put that splitter, the rods down here. Then we get an extra lip, because we already have the stock lip. Well, it's not the lip, it's like where it connects to. Then we have the other lip I'm gonna put on. That's gonna be the next video. And yeah, guys, so out of 10, the difficulty, if you wrap it yourself and you do everything yourself, it's not that bad. Like I did this all by myself, it came out okay. But still got to touch up and do some extra stuff. Alright guys, well, let me know what you guys think of the car and the bumper. And also, in the comments right now, I need a dead ass. I don't ask people to do comment stuff. I need wheel colors. Should I just keep it black, or should I change it up and like I saw how you could do like different color plastic dip wheels, or should I just keep it like that, guys? Let me know down in the comments. And thanks for all the love, guys. All right, guys. I also forgot, if you get this bumper, there's actually something you gotta do. You gotta trim this. I already kind of marked where I'm supposed to trim, or else your hood latch won't open. So like, this will be like, if it's more up and bolted, like I bolted it, I was gonna drive it, but I forgot. So you actually gotta cut. I don't know how I'm gonna cut this. Probably go to Home Depot, try to find like a little something I could connect to this drill. So like maybe a little something, so I could try to cut. It's like, it's plastic. I'm pretty sure if you get like a knife or something, but yeah, I just gotta cut that out, or else your hood won't close. Oh, it'll close, but you won't be able to open it. Oh, you could open it, but it'll just be hard. Okay, sorry. That's my little tip. All right, let's get it. Oh, fuck.